Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Notion dashboard step by step in 2026 so it actually fits your workflow instead of feeling generic. A lot of people use Notion dashboards that look good but don't really work. So here, we'll focus on customization that's practical, clean, and personal. Let's begin. Open your existing dashboard in Notion or create a new page and name it something like My Dashboard. Customization starts with structure. Before adding anything fancy, look at what you already use daily. Tasks, notes, projects, goals, these are usually the core. At the top of your dashboard, you can customize the visual style. Add or change the cover image to something that matches your mood. Minimal gradients, soft colors, or simple patterns work best. Then choose an icon that represents you or your work style. Now let's customize the layout. Notion allows you to drag blocks freely. Create columns by dragging blocks side by side. For example, tasks on the left, notes in the center, and goals on the right. This instantly makes your dashboard feel organized. Next, customize your task section. If you're using a task database, insert a linked view instead of the full table. Filter it to show only active or today's tasks. Hide unnecessary columns so it stays clean and focused. Now move to your notes or ideas section. Instead of a long list, use toggle blocks. Toggles keep things hidden until you need them, which makes your dashboard look less cluttered. You can also customize sections with headings and emojis. Use emojis lightly. Just one per section is enough. This helps you scan the dashboard faster without making it messy. Another powerful customization is color. You can change text colors or highlight headings with subtle background colors and stick to one color theme to keep everything visually consistent. If you want motivation, add a small quote or affirmation block. Place it somewhere visible but not distracting. Customization isn't just about productivity, it's also about how the dashboard makes you feel. You can also embed useful tools. Calendars, habit trackers, or even external links can be added, but only if you actually use them. If something stays unused for weeks, remove it. One last tip, your dashboard should evolve. What works this month may not work next month. Customize, adjust, and simplify whenever needed. And that's how to customize your Notion dashboard step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.